Hey, this is Backpacker from World Tripco. Hey, there are some top 7 places must visit in Norway. Before getting into the video, just check out our website if you're planning for a trip, and the link is given below in description. First in the list is Trollstigen. It is an impressive piece of road building where the road climbs its way up along steep mountain sides and the 11 magnificent hairpin turns of Trollstigen. A gravity-defying platform and a series of viewpoints have been built out of rusting steel and concrete, a striking artificial counterpoint to the bare rock and natural scenery all around. The best month to visit this place is May. Pulpit Rock. Pulpit Rock is also called Preikestolen and it is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Norway. This uniquely shaped rock towers 604 meters and the hike up is one of Norway's most famous mountain hikes. The hike starts with a steep climb and then alternates between sections of rolling terrain and gentle slopes through the woods, ending with a spectacular walk along the edge of the Jord. The hiking season is from May to October. North Cape. The North Cape is the point where the Norwegian Sea, part of the Atlantic Ocean, meets the Barents Sea, part of the Arctic Ocean. It is most famous for the diamond mines around Kimberley. It also has mining activities for manganese and iron ore. It is also a substantial agriculture area around the Orange River, including most of South Africa's Sultana vineyards. Jarrah Bolton. It is a boulder on the mountain. The rock itself is a 5 cubic meter glacial deposit wedged in the mountain's gap. The egg-shaped rock are about to step on will become your crowning platform, discover the whole new world of courage and survival. The boulder was deposited during the last glacial period at around 50,000 BC. The best months to visit is June and September. Girangerfjord. The Girangerfjord is one of Norway's most popular natural attractions and it is 260 meter deep while the surrounding mountains are 1600 to 1700 meter high. It is also known for its spectacular waterfalls and deserted fjord forms high up on the steep cliff sides. The famous and characteristic waterfall, the Seven Sisters, is situated halfway through the fjord. June to August is the best month to visit. Fløybenet. It is one of the city mountains in Bergen. Its highest point is 400 meters above sea level, opened on 15th January 1980. It connects the city center with the mountain of Fløyen with its mountain walks and magnificent views of the city. Bryggen. The first buildings in Bergen were erected by the harbour and this area has for centuries been a lively and central part of the city. It is a series of Hanseatic heritage commercial buildings lining up the eastern side of the Vegen harbour. There are several attractions in the area like many cafes, restaurants, shops sell traditional and unique crafts. Best month to visit is from May and September.